If you're wondering if there's the stereo speakers on the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, first of all, let me find all of the speakers on this device. So first one is on the bottom side of your phone right here, and that's a main speaker for that phone. Another one is located on the top side of the screen, and it's right here. That's a phone call speaker. Now we can determine if they are the stereo speakers. We need to play some music, and if the sound is coming from both of the sources, that means the top speaker and bottom speaker, it confirms that this device does have a stereo speaker. So let's test it out. Okay, so clearly sound is coming from both of the speakers, which confirms that this device does have it, and that is basically everything.